What you want to do first is lift up the bonnet and disconnect the negative battery terminal. Open the front door and undo the first screw, and then the second, and finally the third. Next, pull off the tweeter cover and undo the last screw underneath the tweeter cover. Next, use your man strength to pull off the door cards. This is best done if sexy women are walking past. Next, unscrew the speaker. If you're feeling really cocky, you don't even have to look. Check the size of your speakers. I went for 17 centimeters. You'll find 4 wires. 2 of each are going into 2 terminals. Next, you want to circumcise those bad boys. Now you want to put butt connectors onto the stripped wire. Crimp the wire and tape it up. And connect the new speaker wire to the new speaker terminals. Refit the speakers and test. With the roof down, use your man strength again to remove this plastic cover. Pull the rear door card towards you. These will pop off. The job is made easier if you are shouting "honk smash". Continue by removing these 2 torque screws. Next, it's time to cut the head off the snake. Strip the wires and fit more butt connectors. Fit the new speaker wire into the butt connectors and attach the other end to the new speakers, then refit. Refit everything in the reverse order that you removed it. Check that all the speakers are working and that your girlfriend is happy, otherwise you'll be sleeping on the couch tonight.